In this video we will be discussing Z transform. So the question is that we have to find Z transform of x of n is equal to sine of pi by 12 n minus pi by 3 u of n minus 4. U is unit step function and sine is sine function. So solving it, we write it as x of n is equal to sine of take pi by 12 common, so it is n minus 4 and this is u of n minus 4. So this is of the general formula sine omega naught n u of n. So let x of n is equal to sine of omega naught n u of n. Later I will represent omega naught by pi by 12 and replace this n by n minus 4. So first we have to find the Z transform for this. So sine of omega naught n can be written as e to the power of j omega naught n minus e to the power minus j omega naught n upon 2j and multiplied by u of n. So this can be written as 1 upon 2j e to the power j omega naught n u of n minus e to the power minus j omega naught n u of n. Now taking Z transform, a to the power of n u of n Z transform is 1 upon 1 minus a Z inverse. So here a is e to the power j omega naught, so it will be 1 upon 1 minus e to the power j omega naught Z inverse minus here a is e to the power minus j omega naught, so it will be 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus j omega naught Z inverse, because the transform of a to the power of n u of n is 1 upon 1 minus a Z inverse. So now just simplifying it, 1 upon 2j, take LCM of these two, so it will give e to the power j omega naught Z inverse minus e to the power minus j omega naught Z inverse upon 1 minus e to the power j omega naught Z inverse minus e to the power minus j omega naught Z inverse plus z to the power minus 2. So again e to the power j omega naught minus e to the power minus j omega naught can be written as 2j sine of omega naught, and e to the power j omega naught plus e to the power minus j omega naught can be written as 2 cos of omega naught. So 1 upon 2j sine of omega naught Z inverse 1 minus 2 cos of omega naught Z inverse plus Z to the power minus of 2. So this 2j and 2j will get cancelled. So we get sine, the Z transform of sine of omega naught n u of n is sine of omega naught Z inverse 1 minus 2 cos of omega naught Z inverse plus Z to the power minus 2. So the Z transform of sine of omega naught n minus 4 u of n minus 4 will be we will simply use the time shifting property. So here it is n minus 4, so we have to multiply this Z transform by Z to the power minus 4. So in this equation, multiplying it by Z to the power minus 4, we get Z transform for this. And now we have to sine pi by 12 n minus 4 u of n minus 4. So here omega naught is replaced by pi by 12. So everywhere replace omega naught by pi by 12. So it will be Z to the power minus 5 sine of pi by 12 1 minus 2 cos pi by 12 Z inverse plus Z to the power minus 2. So this is the answer for the question. Thank you. For any feedbacks and comments, please comment in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.